Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I marinate 24 full chicken to be very tasty and how I grate them to come out so perfect without it being burnt. So here I have my onion, green pepper, yellow pepper and long bell peppers. Then in my blender I have onion, garlic and ginger to be blended together. Meanwhile, if you've not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to do that. And for our returning subscribers, you're welcome. You have to subscribe to our channel because we always have a lot of different things to upload here and they'll be very helpful to you. So after blending, this is the paste. This is what it looks like. And then after that, I'll be opening all my frozen chicken to be washed. They are so cold. What we have here is 24 full chicken. I will also show you how I served it in an event. So in my bowl I have the paste I just blended, like the garlic, onion and ginger. Then I also have curry powder, thyme, different seasoning cubes, vegetable oil, powder pepper, fresh blended pepper, turmeric powder. Then after marinating, I will freeze them overnight. Then after that, I'll put it in a pot just to steam. I'm not cooking, I'll only steam them. And after steaming, I will put them in my sieve for the water to drain out before grilling in my oven. And after that, this is how everything came out, so perfect, and they were very tasty. So this is how we served it at the event: sauce by the side, pepper by the side, and then garnish with some vegetables. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share this video, and also drop some comment at the comment section. If you have any question, don't forget to drop your question. We are here to answer you. And then also watch the video till the end to see the end of the video. There are some things at the end of the video, so just watch it. Have a nice day. Bye.